have you ever listened about the Rashtriya Vigyan Puraskar Award? So what is the Rashtriya Vigyan Puraskar Awards and what the definition of the Rashtriya Vigyan Puraskar Awards? A set of Indian national awards in science, technology and innovation, established to recognize the significant contribution of scientists, technologists and innovators. And types of the Rashtriya Vigyan Puraskar Awards. The awards are given in 4 categories. Vigyan Ratna, which is lifetime achievement, Vigyan Shri, distinguished contribution, Vigyan Yuva या शांति स्वरूप भटनागर, young scientist, and last Vigyan team means collaborative work. What is the issues related to the Rashtriya Puraskar Awards? Even though the awards aim to celebrate excellence, questions were raised about how the scientists were selected. Some scientists wrote to the Office of the Principal Scientific Advisor, which is PSA, asking for transparency in the selection process. Why? Because there were fears that political or ideological bias could influence the awards. Selection committee. Who select the awards? The awards are recommended by Rashtriya Vigyan Puraskar Committee led by PSA and include secretaries of ministries and top scientific bodies. However, the final approval goes to the Minister of Science and Technology, which has raised concerns that politics might affect that final decision. What is editorial viewpoint about that article? The editorial argues that the government should adopt a hands-off approach, meaning let scientists themselves decided who deserve these honors. Means ऑथर ये कह रहा है कि ये जो अवार्ड सेरेमनी होती है इसमें पॉलिटिक्स का कोई रोल नहीं होना चाहिए, साइंटिस्ट खुद ये अवार्ड सेलेक्ट करें. Keep politics and government interference out of the process. That's the only way to ensure the awards truly represent scientific excellence, not political favor. So I have find out some vocabulary from this article. So let's start to discuss some vocabulary. The first word is hands-off approach. First of all, this is noun phrase. It's mean a style of management or policy where one avoids direct interference or control. The second word is excellence. This is also noun. The quality of being outstanding or extremely good. And third one is recipient. Recipient is also noun. A person who receives something, award, honor, etc. Fourth, scrutiny. This is noun. Careful and detailed examination or inspection. Fifth, merit. This is noun. The quality of being particularly good or worthy. 6. Transparency. This is also noun. Openness and clarity in actions or decision. 7. Overturn. This is verb. To reverse or change a decision or result. 8. Recommendation. This is also noun. A suggestion or proposal about what should be done. 9. Institutional. This is adjective. Related to established organization or system. 10. Politicized. This is also adjective. Influenced by political motives or interference. Autonomy. This word is also noun, which is meaning independence or freedom to make one's own decision. Next one, endeavor. Endeavor is also noun, an attempt or effort to achieve something. And next, conferred. This is verb, officially granted or given. Next, prestige. High respect or admiration gained by achievements. And the last one is explicit, which is adjective. It's mean clearly and directly state.